So I have here my JBL Clip 3 Bluetooth speaker and the battery is empty. So I want to show you how to charge this. And you notice that the battery is pretty empty when this LED here is blinking red. So at that point you should consider charging it. So let me show you how this is done. So first here on the bottom where it says here Clip 3, this is like the little latch that you can open up. And there you find this micro USB charging port. And you just use here the charging cable that comes with the speaker. And you plug this in here carefully, just all the way. And then the other end, you need a USB charger, and you can use, for example, here the smartphone charger, or I have here a different charger from a different Bluetooth speaker that I own. And you just plug that into the USB port here. You can also, for example, use your computer to do the same thing. But here I now plug this in. And as soon as you do this, you can see here the LED on top will start to glow red. Here constantly, there's a constant red. And depending on the power of your charger, the charging can take up to 3 hours for a full charge. Alright, so and how do you know that the battery is fully charged? And that's pretty easy, because as soon as the battery is fully charged, this LED will simply turn off, just like this. Okay, so and at this point we can simply take the speaker and carefully unplug the USB port here, the USB cable. You don't want to move it left and right, you just want to pull it out straight so that the charging port doesn't get broken. And then don't forget to put the cover back on so that the speaker is waterproof again and we can enjoy listening to our music again. Alright, so this is already it. I hope this video was helpful, and don't forget to check out my other Clip 3 videos.